question 3, we have 23 players, and part A is asking about getting 3 defensemen out of the 8 players that are chosen. And so the way that you would set up 3A, and actually it's similar for all of these once you sort of see the first example, I'm sure that you'll be able to do all of them. If we were going to have 3 defensemen chosen, then there are 7 total defensemen that we would choose 3 from. And since there are 23 players, that would mean that the other 16 would have to provide the remaining 5 players. And if you look at it from a holistic point of view, there are 23 players in total that we have to choose 8 from. So this is the number of ways of choosing the team if there's no restrictions. And this is the number of ways here of choosing 3 defensemen out of the 7 that we have available. And this is the number of ways of choosing the other 5 players. And so I won't solve this for you. I'll let you do the rest. But I think that once you've seen that idea, that the other ones should be a little bit more easy to figure out. So just to get you started for part B, they're asking about at least 1 goalie. So that would mean that if we have 3 goalies, you would have to work out the probability of 1 goalie, 2 goalies, 3 goalies. The way to do that with less work is to actually work out the probability of 0 goalies and then do 1 minus your answer. Okay, then you only have to do 1 calculation. And so the probability of 0 goalies, if you only have 3 to choose from, would be that you're choosing 0 from 3. And then the same idea that we did up on the part A there. If we are choosing 0 from the 3, then we have 20 other players left to choose the 8 from. And then that's still over 23. Oops, 23. Choose 8, okay? And then the last question is asking about the expected value. I'm just going to write it over here so I don't have to move the page up. So expected value is just the probability of something happening times the number of things that are happening. And so in this case, they are asking about the number of forwards, and there are 13 forwards. And so we are choosing 8, 8 out of, 13 out of the 23 are forwards. And so we have a probability of 13 out of 23 of getting a forward, and we're choosing 8 players. And so if you work that out, you'll get the expected value that's required there.